Good day, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and we're going to be looking at this little nuke underneath the magnolia tree. It's supposed to have a mated queen. See where the brick's at? Mated queen, and we're going to see how they're doing today. Get the glasses first. Find me something to sit on here. We marked this queen on the 6th, which means she's been laying eggs. She was walking around and no eggs on the 11th of last month. Unmarked queen on the 29th of last month, and today's the 6th of this month. And we're going to see what they're up to. See if we need to feed them anymore. Got the peppermint candy in there still, some of it. Your food dish is empty. This one has some drones in it. I see one walking around here, which is a good thing. This one here has some honey, some nectar, pollen, bees. That's them. Set it over here on the side. Move their pollen patty a little bit. Take it, put it up here. Okay, this one has some nectar, pollen, has some nectar and pollen in it. Bottom looks clean. This here and this here is a little pollen candy. There's the queen, right here. She's looking for a place to lay. She's right here. She has brood, larvae, eggs. Doing pretty good. Those holes in there are cells that's not capped, all has brood in it. Brood, larvae, eggs. Or however you want to put it. Baby bees. This one has eggs and larvae, the pollen, little nectar, side here has the same thing. Eggs and larvae in here. Got nectar across here, pollen here, and down here. So they're doing okay. She's a good layer. This one here has some nectar, some pollen, and same side, same thing with that side. So they're doing okay to be a baby. It'll take them a good month, another month before I can consider them a real hive. People ask me about how many hives do I have. I don't have as many as I used to. There you go, girl, move. I don't have as many as I used to because I don't care about them. I care about my bees, but I don't care about how many I've got. And I run probably 50 here in the yard. And I don't consider a hive until the queen has been laying for a few weeks. She's mated, she's marked. But she's mated and she's marked, so we know she's a good queen. And when she is like that, then we consider her a real hive. There they go. And they have more food, they have pollen. They have shade. They should be content. Okay, put that brick back on showing that she's a mated queen. I'll mark this down. And this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Give us a comment, thumbs up, subscribe, share. Y'all have a great day.